How to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube Shorts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube Shorts. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the section, you can simply tap on languages. And now here in this section, just tap on the preferred languages. And here on the next page, you can simply choose the language that you understand and just tap on it. And once you done that, you can just tap on confirm. And now when a short is available in one of your preferred language, you should be able to listen the original audio instead of automatically dubbing it. And that's it. That's how you can turn off auto dubbing on YouTube Shorts. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.